Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. So today we are gonna make some slime. And to make slime, we will need ounces of white glue, 1 teaspoon baking soda, mixer or mixing tool. I'm gonna use a wooden stick, tablespoon alkaline solution, 5 drops of food coloring. I'm gonna be using the color blue. To weigh things on, put it all in a pint-sized mason jar or any type of container with a lid. With all the materials in front of me, I'm going to start. So first, get the thing I'm laying on. Use this. So you make it shorter. And then get my mason jar that I'm going to be using to put stuff in. Making sure that
so
it is
one class, the algebra fundamentals. But some of program is twice
ounces.
not one.
Put it on. See, it's going to weigh something. We're going to press 0,
but there is twice
get our
classes.
big jug of Elmer's glue.
Yes.
Open it.
Yes.
And pour in 4 ounces. Pour in 4 ounces. That's 2.
Math challenge. So maybe look if it's no, it can't be because it's not.
That's 4.4.
So maybe not academic.
So we're going to just take them. It's like a marker faster.
No, it says not in waitlist math challenge. So she was canceled from that class.
Let's move on to our next step. Our next step, we have to add the baking soda and stir to combine thoroughly. So we're going to add the baking soda. How much baking soda do we need? We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to get dirty, but we have to get our teaspoon. Big bag of baking soda. Let's put it there. And take 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. In. Okay. Moving on to the next step. As it said, we have to combine thoroughly. Get our little thing to mix it with and stir it in. Stir in our baking soda. Meet you guys when I'm ready. All finished, and now we're at number 2, and the next thing we have to do is add the food coloring and stir it to combine. So I have my food coloring. Let's get it out. I have blue, and it said to add 5 drops. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to meet you guys when I mix it all up. Now I've just finished mixing. I can't get anything off the sides. Sorry guys, but now it's going to be the hard part. We have to add the lens solution and start stirring really, really hard. So we have the contact lens solution. We have to start stirring right away. So now let's see how I'll do this, but it's going to be really hard. So we're going to spill that in. Spill it in really hard. Okay. Finish with that. Close it. Finish with that, and now I'm going to put it in and start stirring. Now we're going to start stirring. See, it's going to get to a blob. As you can see inside what's going on, it's getting really hard to mix with the wooden stick. I'm afraid it's going to break. As you can see, the sides are becoming clearer now. to stir, stir, stir. As you can see, the sides are becoming clear now. I'm gonna have to, I'm afraid the stick is gonna break the sides. Getting stuff off. God. Oopsies, my stick broke. So I'll see you guys when I finish mixing. Now that I finished mixing, barely, I'm gonna take it out and mix it with my hands. So let's take the stuff out. I followed the recipe for goo, but it's supposed to be slime, so I don't know, guys. Ooh. It's getting really sticky, so I'm just gonna put it in my hands. Take this little piece, and just play with it until it gets, oh my god, this thing's sticky. Until I can get everything out, nice, clear. See you guys. Hi, I finished getting it out. It's all clean except for a little of the sides. I got it all out. Now, number one tip for this kind of recipe is that if you leave it on like that, it'll sink on, and then if you leave it on at least for 10 minutes, it'll start getting like really gooey on your fingers. So that's why you have to go like that. And if it gets anything like, if it gets like that and you can't get all of it off, you have to go like, and to get it all like in one place, just rub it up like that. So this is slime / goo. Hope you enjoyed this video. Add a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Make sure to comment down below any comments or questions. See you next time in my next video. And hashtag slime is awesome. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.